Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And if you were waiting for the new driver for Nvidia, Nvidia re-released the driver 595.59, which is the latest driver for game-ready drivers for any PC that has some of the latest GPUs, graphics processing. And of course, if you have the app, because there's the essential app or the driver app that is doing automatic driver updates that you can install on your PC. Most of the PCs with Nvidia GPUs have that. You should see on the app that a new driver is available. So if you are ready to install a new driver, if you had issues or anything, it also gives support to a few new games, if I'm not mistaken, and fixes a few bugs on some of the latest NVIDIA GPUs. So that's something to look at. And for the rest, well, if you were stuck with the driver that was faulty and you find your fans are running a little too fast all the time, the driver fixes that issue so you can download this. It should appear even if you have it installed because it's kind of a new driver, even though it has the same driver number. Or else you can just revert back and then re download the new driver for the PC. So they fixed the problem that they had with the driver for the NVIDIA GPUs. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.